everybody, and welcome to GT Connect. Well, today it is Sunday morning, but we're actually filming this yesterday morning, Saturday morning, where we had an awesome team under the leadership of Brother Sam and the Dream Center. GT Church has partnered with them to be able to come out here and to serve our local community of people who haven't eaten, who are not eating, who are currently without a home. And so I want to say thank you to those who came out really early yesterday morning, to Miss Norma and her team. They came, they prepped the food, they cut everything, they mixed all the eggs, they plated everything up nice in some styrofoam containers, and now our team in our church is here serving the people and praying for people and sharing the love of Christ with people. So I want to say thank you guys so much, GT Church, for being the hands and feet of Jesus Christ, for not just saying you want to get involved and saying you want to make a difference, but actually waking up, getting out there, and you are making a difference. You did make a difference. So we got a great weekend ahead here at GT Church. Thank you guys for participating. I'm excited for the message today and all that we're going to do as a local body to support not just our local community here, but being involved in One Day to Feed the Hungry. Well, that's all we got for this week. Thanks for watching GT Connect, and we'll see you next week.